It is feeding time in Dublin. Feeding time. It is. Here we go.
Oh my god.
It is just crazy.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're coming near us.
Hey buddy, how you doing? What are you doing over there?
Smart, look at him.
Look at this guy here, waiting for food. He knows where it's at. Feeding time.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
All in a row. One after the other. Waiting for their turn. Want to get fed. Want to get fed. Just going crazy.
Jesus Christ.
Ready to eat out of your hands. There we go. Everybody's satisfied.
There's no more, guys.
No more food. See you tomorrow. And see you tomorrow, buds. That's all, folks.